to make a quick run to the store. My throat a little sore. Not the gas light being on. He wants some chicken strips, so I'm gonna run and get him some chicken strips. And my throat is a little sore because he said I fell asleep with my mouth open. So I gotta go get me to get the kids ready for school. And then after they get home from school, we're gonna head on right over to Not Scary Farm. So I ain't want nothing, y'all. I'm just checking in, and I will catch y'all when I get to the store. It's too dark. So I ran in and ran out real quick, but I got me a muffin, some stuff for my throat, and some popcorn. Quit trying to steal my popcorn, chump. Made hubby some chicken strips and fries. I gotta cure this throat.